You guessed it, it's time for more Disney Doorables unboxing. Today is Series 7, and I don't have much in this collection. I think I only have about 11 of the characters, so I need a lot more to complete this. So, as always, we want ones that we don't have already, so let's see who we get. So I only got 5 bags in today's box, and these are the ones that I still need in Series 7. So let's open these up, and hopefully we don't get no duplicates. So we only got one duplicate, which is pretty good, and that is King Louis. But the ones that we're adding to our collection today are the Beast, Disgust, Princess Tiana, and then we've got a color changing Aurora. So let's see if she's wearing the pink or blue dress. Let's check these off our list and call it a day.